Hi there, students. My name is Dr. Richard Allington. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to this 4-week summer class covering the early history of Western civilization, history of Western civilization from the origins until the year 1500. This is going to be a very short class. The workload will be very intense, but the subject matter will be very fascinating. And I'm here to help you along the way, and I hope you enjoy it. In this video, I just want to give you a sense of where everything is in the learning management system of the course. Eastern New Mexico University this summer has switched to from Blackboard to Canvas. This is one of the first courses to be held or hosted by Canvas. Some of you may have used Canvas before at other institutions, but this is the first time for someone who's only ever taken online courses at Eastern, or someone who's only used Blackboard or some other learning management system. And so I want to give you an especially detailed overview of the components of the course, the work that I'm expecting you to do, and how to find the different parts of the course. And so we begin here on the home page. As I scroll down, you'll find my office hours. Just to reiterate what I say there, I genuinely have your success at this course at the heart of my professional work for the next 4 weeks. And so I'm here for you. I'm here because I want you to be successful. And I'm more than willing to be flexible in adjusting my schedule in order that I can meet with you and work with you. Obviously, if you ask me for something 2 weeks after the fact, or you ask to meet and you only give me a couple of hours notice, that can be difficult to do. But in general, I will be as available to help you as much as you ask me for help. So please don't hesitate to contact me. If you keep scrolling down, you can find a link to the syllabus for the course. Of course, you should review that once you finish this video. Reviewing the syllabus, that should probably be the first thing that you do. And this is an area where Canvas is very good. There aren't a lot of downloads. You can just pull the syllabus up very quickly right here, and it will become available for you. Go back and find the participation agreement. After you've reviewed the syllabus, you should complete the participation agreement that you access here. The participation agreement is set up like a course. It's set up like a quiz. You can begin, and you have to work your way through the questions, basically to show you understand the expectations for the course. So we're back on the home page again, as you see here. And then I've provided a link here to get you to the modules page. This is probably the most important page in the course. So this is going to be the page that you're going to be going to most regularly, that's going to have the resources that you need in order to be successful. So that's the home page. Basically the syllabus, what you need to read to get started on the course, the participation agreement, what you need to complete your registration in the course, the modules page where you'll find most of the work, or in fact all of the work that you'll need to do to complete the course. Below here, you'll see further links to important university information and to the many student resources that Eastern New Mexico University makes available. Not only do I want to be as present to you as possible, not only do I am I invested in your success in this course, Eastern New Mexico University has spent a lot of money and time and effort to develop the resources that will help you to be successful. So when you're learning online, it's very easy to become isolated, but it's very important to remember that you're not alone in taking on this course, that I'm here to help you, that the university has a vast array of staff and resources who are here to help you as well. So especially if you're feeling nervous about this course, I would strongly encourage you to take some time to explore the resources that are at this link and find out what's available to you. Again, if this is something that you want to talk with me about, I'm more than happy to have that conversation with you. So that's the home page. And as I said, where you'll find, so this is where you'll get started in the course. The work that you'll do in the class will be found at the modules page that you can access through either this link, the modules page, or up here where we have these other course links on the side. And so here you can see a link to the modules page. I'm going to go there in a second. A link to the grades page where you can see your grades for the course. A link to the discussions that we're going to have in this class. And then a link to tutoring services and the Writing Center, some of the support systems that you have in place that the university has put in place for you. So now I'm just going to go to the modules page. This is the page where you'll find most of the material that you need to complete your work for the semester. So once again, you'll see that we have an array of resources here. The participation agreement can also be found here. Material from the university, information about student resources, some more information about using Canvas. If this is a system that you're not familiar with, this is a page that will give you some more information about it. And then we have the help and support icon that's over here. This will also give you a phone number to call. Canvas is very good about calling you back when you have a question, when you have a problem, and helping you out in that way. So not only do you have me, not only do you have Eastern New Mexico University and all the resources there, but you also have the team at Canvas who are here to help you to be successful as well. So there's really very little excuse for saying that you're alone in this, or you're confused about something, or your confusion. It's fine to be confused about something, but it's not fine just to say that you're confused about something and to give up. There are many, many different people who are connected to your participation in this course who are here to help you to be successful. There's this page here on using MediaSite. The university requires us to include this because many of our courses use MediaSite. This course does not, so you don't need to worry about MediaSite. Everything in this course will be contained in Canvas. Keep scrolling down here. Here in this folder, you'll find the texts, all the texts that we're going to use in this class. The access to SkyPack, that's the textbook that we're going to use. I'm going to put that up here as well. And then we have these three main primary sources. All the other readings that you need are in PDF form and are very easy to find. They're attached to the assignments that you need to read them in order to complete. Scroll down again. And we come to help videos. These are videos that I've made, and I've made them to be very specific to my courses and to the assignments that I set for my courses. So this isn't just kind of your generic help video that takes a long time, doesn't really tell you anything. In these videos, I make it very clear my expectations for the course and for completing these particular assignments and what you need to do in engaging in these assignments in order to be successful. And so when you finished reading the syllabus, completing the participation agreement, when you come to this page, I encourage you again to spend some time in this first day of the course going through these videos, getting a better sense of my expectations for each of these assignments. I'm not going to talk about my expectations for these assignments in this video. I'm going to talk about where to find the assignments. I'm going to show you how to do that. But in terms of how to do each particular type of assignment, if it's a journal, if it's a discussion, if it's an essay, you will need to consult these help videos. And my hope is that they really will be helpful. But of course, if they're not, if you still have questions, you have all these other resources. You have me, you have the university staff, and you have the Canvas staff. Okay. So this, again, is the resources that are available to you as you begin the course. Help videos from me, the text that you need for the course, and access to the syllabus, access to the student resources that are available to you. Now we're going to look at a typical module for this course. Now I just have the 4 modules for the 4 weeks, so each module is really big and has a lot of information in it. So I would say right from the beginning, it's very important that in a course that's this short, you use every single day of the week. That means you don't let a single day go by when you don't put at least, I would say, at least an hour to an hour and a half into this course. And most days you'll have to put more time in because the course is so short. But if every day that you let slip and you say, I'll make it up tomorrow, normally I give myself 1 day off each week in my own work. And I find that lends itself to a healthy work-life balance. But I strongly encourage you to take full advantage of the other 6 days of each week. I'm actually going to halt this introductory video here. I'm going to provide another video that will give you a guide to the modules.